YouTube. Today we want to talk a little bit about a subject that's kind of sore or could possibly be sore to individuals, and the question is internet marketing working for home a scam? Let me first give a disclaimer to this whole subject. Number one, as in any profession, in any career, there are those individuals out there that want to make a quick buck off of potential clients. So yes, there are some companies out there that will sign you up for internet marketing that will take your money and not do what they say they're going to do, or do the 2-foot shuffle, say they'll be here and they'll be over there, do not have a good system in place. So yes, there are companies and there are individuals out there that will take advantage of you. However, there are also some wonderful companies out there that will help you set up an in-home internet marketing company that you will be self-employed. You'll work with them as a partner. I'll be a client of theirs. So the disclaimer is there are some out there that I would be careful of. There are some out there that are wonderful. First thing you want to do is do your homework. You can Google any company, any individual's name, and gather information about them. In a few minutes, in a second, I'm going to give you a list of some things to look for, some things to stay away from. But before that, let me first say that when you do Google, be real careful. There will be people out there that will write an article about something being a scam only to redirect you to a website that they're going to promote. I'm not promoting a website today. What I'm doing is addressing an issue that's pertinent to people that are serious about looking for working at home, and maybe give you some information that will keep you from falling on a sword or get into a situation that's not good. Hopefully we'll direct you today through this video something that's very, very positive that you'll enjoy and make a lot of money off of and work from home. But be careful, do your homework. Google or use any other search engine to check a company out. In a minute, again, I'm going to give you a list of some things to look for. Be very careful of companies when they mention about the ratings of the Better Business Bureau. I think the Better Business Bureau has its place, but they have a little game that they play that if you have 1 or 2 complaints, which any good company will have a complaint against them, the Better Business Bureau will actually hold that over their head until they pay the Better Business Bureau to clean the record up. So they have a little game going there themselves where they have a place. Just be very leery. Just because you have a B or C rating from the Better Business Bureau doesn't mean it's a bad company. Because they have an A from the Better Business Bureau doesn't mean they're a wonderful company. So you have to take a little bit of that, take that like a grain of salt, and factor that in. The better thing to do is when you are looking for a company, let's go over a list of some things that you might want to look at. Number one, are they readily available to you? If you sign up with a company, and this is an internet marketing company that would have a product that you would partner with them, but you'd be a client, and in a minute we'll talk about product and some things to look for to stay away from. But number one, you want a quality company that's turnkey, that's been around at least 4 years plus. Go with a company that's worldwide. If they're a company that only sell in the United States and you're on the internet, wonder if you have a group of people from Australia or Canada or Mexico that want to buy from you. So make sure that you work with a company that is worldwide, that will ship worldwide. Also, make sure that you're not working with a company that you have to ship anything. They should do that themselves. But this company should be tenured, 4 years or older. This means they've weathered the economic storm. I've talked to one person that signed up with a growing company. They were 2 years old. They claimed to be one of the fastest growing companies, internet marketing companies, direct sales companies in the world. 2 months after this person signed up, they had so much debt they folded. And so be very, very careful. Tenured, should be worldwide, should have no debt, should have a turnkey system, should have a success coach or a coach assigned to you or a group of people assigned to you that's readily available to you by email and by phone 24/7. This is very, very, very important that you do that. Again, also have great products that you believe in ethically, that you can stand behind. And make sure that you're not selling lotions and potions where they're shipped to you and you have to repackage them and send them out to clients or sell to neighbors. Don't do that. But let's talk about some things to stay away from. There are some companies out there that may be solid, but the way they do business makes it very awkward, make it very difficult for their clients or partners that you would be. Number one, if they have an auto ship, this means that they automatically ship you some product every month and they withdraw that from your checking account, banking account, or charge you for that. Stay away from those companies. Those are a thing of the past. That's old internet marketing. Does it still work? Sure, it might for you, but they'll nickel and dime you, and you'll make $1,000 and they'll take 400 away. So why get into a company like that when you've got other options? Stay away from companies that are multi-level marketing. You'll find yourself rebuilding your team every 3 months. And there are companies out there that do not ask you to call on your friends and your neighbors and your first cousins, and first thing to do is make a list of 30 people. Stay away from those companies. There are other quality companies out there that you do not have to do that and do quite well. And so stay away from auto ship, multi-level marketing, shipping, and then a lack of support. If you find that people aren't returning your call, or that, well, we just operate by email, I would stay away from those companies. Again, what you want to do is do your research. Is internet marketing a scam? No, it's not. It is a good career that you can make good money with, but you have to do your homework. You have to partner with the right group. Now, again, there are companies out there that act like a scam, so you got to be real careful of. But there's all kind of businesses out there in any career, as we mentioned before, that might be that way. So do your homework. Internet marketing is a great place for a person that wants to work out of their home to generate good money, but you got to partner with the right company, have the right product, have the right support, turnkey. And if you can find a company that the success coaches hold your hand through the whole process and ensure that you make money the first few months, and then get you off to a great start, I would go with a company that's like that. So do your research again. And I'm going to finish this YouTube video like I always do. Number one, you have a great day. Number two, go out and help somebody and be a good neighbor. We'll talk soon.